Is a member also of the National Academy of Science of the British Academy of Sciences, National Academy of the United States, the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, a Spanish Academy, fellow from the Econometric Society since 1981, and also a member and a fellow of the European Economic Association. So let me brief and pass the floor to Professor Eric Maskin, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rubens, for that lovely introduction. Thanks to all of you for coming out and squeezing into this room. I hope it doesn't get too warm. Many thanks to FGV for hosting this event, and to the people from Nobel Media for setting it up, the sponsors for paying for it.